told me to be a good Indian. Hold my tongue. Let them speak. You listen, they speak. Study how they move, how they sit, how they eat. Mirror them so you can be a good Indian. What the fuck is a good Indian? They tell me to stop saying fuck so much. They asked me to re-traumatize myself so I can teach my oppressors how to be better humans. Just so I can get a seat at their table, because that will make me a good Indian. I don't want to be their good Indian. Institutions asking me to pimp out my traumas so I can break into their walls, like their systems tried to break me.
I don't want to be
Easing, crushing into my sanity, knows no bounds inside of 4 white walls, trying to give me back my culture. Doesn't belong to the academy, not to any dissertation that's won awards, or the checkbox that asks you if you'd like to self-identify as Indigenous. My culture doesn't belong in dusty basement museums, echoing matriarchal wisdom to every other thing these institutions think they own. We're not the only ones with systemic problems rooted into our wood. Comes from a place that existed before. Time can't take away the riches in our blood, spilled onto birch bark, telling the stories of 7 billion stars where our ancestors sing to us sweetly. They sing to us still, and never once have I heard them say, be a good Indian. When my feet feel dew on blades of grass, in the deep of September I'm alive. With 100,000 ancestors by my side, is the warmth of my family, of a love my body alone cannot contain. Love becomes my blood, becomes my bones, have stories even I have not yet heard, that could not be locked inside the walls of the ivory tower or shoved inside of a box labeled stories from a good Indian. Aren't housed in buildings full of ghosts, they have homes inside of our blood memory that you cannot find inside of their history books. Our stories live inside, in the rest and the unrest I have not yet found in the beat of the drum. Calls me to the connections of a Gotwin, have always, will always live here.
Just see the real me, 'cause I'm just like you, just like you.